Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you're doing well. My name is Ellen. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all an amazing cabbage recipe. We're going to make Southern fried cabbage. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. We're going to fry it in butter and bacon. It is great as a meal by itself, with some cornbread, or you can serve this as a side dish. Serve it with baked chicken, meatloaf, also great with your corned beef for St. Patrick's Day. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this, and I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more Southern side dishes, check out my side dish and vegetables recipes playlist and my previous video, mint chocolate chip cake mix cookies. I'll post the link to those down below in the description box. So grab your cabbage, your bacon, and your spices, sugar, because we're about to cook some fried cabbage magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is prep our bacon. Over here on my cutting board, I have 3 strips of bacon. I'm using turkey bacon, or you can use the pork bacon. And we're just going to cut them into thirds. All right, I'm through cutting my bacon. Cut them into squares just like that. So now I'm going to set this aside while we prep our veggies. On my cutting board, and my cutting board and knife is nice and clean, I have 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow onion, or you can use a white onion, and 1 clove of garlic. We're going to mince the garlic, like so. And I rinsed my veggies. Now we're going to dice up the onion. Now we're going to dice up the bell pepper, and we're going to remove the seeds. All right, as soon as I get through dicing up my bell pepper, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I am through dicing my onions and bell pepper and mincing my garlic. So now we're going to set these aside while we work on the star of the show, the cabbage. Over here, I have my green cabbage, and I'm using a small head of cabbage. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful green. So now we're going to cut the cabbage in half, and keep your fingers out the way. Now we're going to cut the cabbage into quarters, and we're going to remove the cord. Just like that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my cabbage, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I got the cord out of the cabbage. Now we are ready to cut them into strips. And we're going to place it into my large bowl. Going to cut them into thin strips, about 1 inch. All right, as soon as I get through cutting my cabbage into strips, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I've got all my cabbage strips together, and off camera, I rinsed them under some cool water. Let's get cooking. Over here, I have my large pot, and I have my fire over medium heat. And since I'm using turkey bacon, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of canola oil, or you can use vegetable or olive oil. Gonna twirl it around so the oil can coat the pot. And all we do is let it get hot. And as soon as it gets hot, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, the oil is nice and hot. So now we're going to add in the turkey bacon. And give it a quick stir. And we're going to let the bacon fry until it's crisp. About 7 minutes. All right, my friends, the bacon's nice and crispy. Oh, it smells so good. Nothing like the smell of bacon frying. So now I'm going to remove my bacon. leaving the bacon drippings in the pot. So now we're going to set the bacon aside. It's time to cook our veggies. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and I'm going to let that melt. All right, my friends, the butter has melted. So now we're going to add in our diced onions and our diced bell peppers. Now I'm going to add in a pinch of white sugar to help sweat the veggies. Give them a stir. And we're going to let these cook for 7 minutes until they're soft and translucent. All right, my friends, it's been 7 minutes. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. So now there's one more thing we got to add to it. Our minced garlic. And stir that in. And let that cook for another minute. All right, my friends, now it's time to add in the cabbage. Now it's time to add in our seasonings. 1 teaspoon each of onion powder, garlic powder, and onion soup mix, and seasoning salt and white pepper, or you can use black pepper to taste. And if you want, you can add in some cayenne pepper to give it a little kick. And stir until combined. And the cabbage will wilt down while it cooks. So now we're going to cover the pot and we're going to let it cook for 20 minutes until the cabbage is soft. And make sure you taste it along the way to see if it needs any more seasoning. And I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, let's take a look at the cabbage. Oh, it looks super good. Nice and soft. Oh, it smells so good. And I tasted it, has the right amount of seasoning. And there's one more thing we got to add to it. Our cooked turkey bacon. And stir until well blended. And again, we're going to cover the pot and we're going to let it finish cooking for another 5 minutes. And then after that, our fried cabbage is ready to serve. So as soon as it gets through cooking, I'll pour it into my bowl. And I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it. Southern fried cabbage. Doesn't that look good? And look at all that bacon and the veggies. Anything with bacon is calling my name. Love, love, love bacon. And I got some cornbread in the oven. So as soon as it gets through baking, I'll fix me up a plate and then we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I fixed me up a plate. Got me some cornbread with lots of butter on it. And this is my cast iron skillet cornbread recipe. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Grab me some cabbage and some bacon. Look at that. Have a bite. Cabbage is tender and perfectly cooked. And I love the smokiness from the bacon. Super flavorful. This is comfort food at its best. This fried cabbage is marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. And I'm going to grab me a little cornbread. Spread my butter. Yum-o. Fried cabbage-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. Also, send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy St. Patrick's Day.